Hello guys. Okay, this is the story for today. Okay, this story is about plants. Obviously, plants can't sit still. They have to move all the time. Okay, by Rebecca E. Hirsch. So let's start reading it. Okay.
Plants can't sit still by Rebecca.
Okay. Plants can sit still. Plants don't have feet. They don't have feet. They don't have feet or fins or wings. Yet they move in many ways. See? They move in many ways. Look closely and you'll discover that plants can't sit still. Plants can wiggle as seedlings start to grow. They squirm out of spring soil, unfold their leaves, and reach for warmth and light. Plants can creep, slither underground, or crawl through tall grass. See? Look at all these insects. What is this? We know this little animal. This little animal, they say caterpillar. Yes, it's a caterpillar. Okay. Searching for the things that all plants need. Water, sunshine, and what else do plants need? And as they search, plants can climb a fence or walk a wall. Plants can hide from a hungry grasshopper or surprise a fly snap. Uh-oh, look, the plant ate the fly. Some plants sleep at night. Flowers folding. Others wake with the stars and lift their faces to the moon. See? They're lifting their faces to the moon. Plants can tumble on a breeze, whoosh, as they bounce. Seeds sprinkle out. Plants even explode. They fling their seeds into the world to make new plants. See? New plants. A seed is a plant built for travel. Seeds can whirl like helicopters or float on parachutes. See? Parachutes, they're floating. Or float like parachutes. Wow, look at this. What else can plants do? Or glide on papery wings, but they can't sit still. Seeds hitchhike on your sock or on a fox bushy tail. See the seeds? They take a ride inside a bear. Seeds set sail swoosh down the river past swaying trees in the wide ocean. Drifting, waiting for what all plants need. Water, sunshine, and room to grow. When the seeds find a spot, the seedling squirms out. It unfolds its leaves. See the leaves? It reaches for the warmth and light, and it keeps on moving because plants can't sit still. What is this? This is the sun. This is the ocean. And this is the sand. Very good. Okay. Plants can't sit still. Like you guys can't sit still. Okay, guys. So this is the end of our story. Plants can't sit still. Okay, guys. I will see you next time. Bye. Have a nice weekend. A big kiss. Bye-bye.